Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe because I do have some more travel videos coming your way and you don't want to miss out on those. So in this video, I'll be exploring, showing you guys some of the excursions, things to see, things to do in the Bahamas, but in particular Nassau and CocoCay. So to start off, I did explore these islands through Liberty of the Seas Royal Caribbean. So it was a cruise ship and we ported at these two locations. I did not book the excursions directly through them. Let me tell you why. They were sold out. So if there is something that your heart so desires and you're like, I truly want to do this excursion, book it before it sells out, guys. By the time we went to book, I was uninterested and I also was like, I am sure we will figure it out when we get there. And when I tell you we did. So let me tell you guys how we went about exploring, booking some of our tours once we got there. So first up is Nassau. As soon as we got off the cruise ship, we did decide to just walk around and just kind of see what we could find, what to do. They do have people who are trying to sell you excursions as soon as you get off the ship, so that is an option. We didn't do that though. We just continued walking, and this area is gated, so as you can see there's gates right there, and beyond that is like the city. We did leave the gated area and I mean it was still touristy but felt very safe. It was a really cool vibe, super cute, lots of shops. So I wish we would have gotten the name of this place that we got this food from, but it was really good and I definitely recommend eating on the island. So next up, I'm going to show you guys a few places, and the way that we stumbled across these places was a guy tried to sell us an excursion package. We kind of said no, and then he showed us his business card. He said he had a personal car for us, and we got a really good deal, guys. So his information will be found down below. So the first place that his driver took us was the rum cake factory. Definitely recommend this. This is very particular to the Bahamas. It is good. So they do have some for you to taste and then you can buy the packages. They're very inexpensive. I bought a few, packed them, brought them back to the States, and they were really good. Next up on the list, we did go to a local beach, and I believe the name of this one is Montague Beach, and we also got to see a little bit of their history. So next up on the list was Heritage Village Marketplace, my bad. Super cute. So those are swings, and then you see the umbrellas hanging up there. Guys, this place aesthetically was a whole entire vibe. So if you're one to, take pictures for the social medias, this is definitely the place to do it. So this area had a lot of cute restaurants, marketplaces, things of that nature. They also had a winery where you could do a wine tasting if you chose to. And then directly across the street is the chocolate factory. So that's where we headed to right after. They did offer a tour, but it was guided and you had to pre-book it. So unfortunately, we weren't able to do that, but we were able to check out the chocolates. So that is all that I have for Nassau. Personally, I've been to the Bahamas twice already, but I've never been to Nassau or to CocoCay. So it was really cool to be able to explore Nassau the way that we did it, and glad that we definitely did. I would say just, like anywhere that you go, just be careful. Safety comes first, but again, overall, we had a really good experience. So next up is Perfect Day at CocoCay, which is Royal Caribbean's private island. I did not look too much into things prior to arriving just because I knew that it would be completely different from Nassau in terms of, it's their private island. So the vibes are totally different. I went in with, the mindset of this is going to be our beach/ocean day. We're not really going to do too much. So we didn't book jet skiing or cabanas or anything like that. I actually don't think we spent any additional money while we were on this island. But again, if you are wanting to jet ski, if you want your own private cabana, snorkel, things like that, you can pre-book those if you would like. There are maps everywhere. Like when I tell you guys, this island is huge. It is huge. So they have the water park area. There's a kids area. There's Chill Island, which is mainly going to be what I'm showing you. There were also shops so you could purchase things. And also, fun thing to mention, if you have the internet package from the cruise ship, it does work on this island, which is really cool. I didn't know that until I was connected, and I was like, oh, okay, well, that's cool. Also, they do have a buffet that's on the island that's included. Check that out. I will show you guys what that looks like as well. So again, this is us heading to Chill Island to chill. Did want to snorkel or jet ski or do any water activities that you did not pre-book, you can do it there. They have areas. So another thing I'll mention, I was a little worried because there were 2 cruise ships porting there at the same time. So in my mind, I'm like, okay, how big is this island? Will everyone have beach chairs? Like, is it going to be crowded? We felt very comfortable. Like, I was actually shocked that there were enough chairs for everyone, that we didn't feel claustrophobic on this island that I assumed was smaller than it was. But again, on this side is where you can jet ski. There's kayaking and the cabanas. And here's the buffet that I said was included. The food was good. It was good. This barbecue chicken, guys, you have to try out. Now, I looked. The water was not as clear as I hoped it would be, but again, overall, we had an amazing time on both islands, and overall, it was a really good cruise. So I do have other videos. I have a video of Liberty of the Seas. I have a packing video for a cruise. I have our room reviews. So definitely, if you guys enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. And also remember to subscribe. And you can find the link to my other videos down below. I greatly appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys next time.